Okay, I don't know what's wrong with my 64, but if anyone could help me, thanks. But I was racing somebody, and my fourth gear didn't go in, so I made it go in. And ever since that, my car's been making this noise. I could drive, but I have to shift before I hit 3 RPMs. If I go over, it'll make that quietness sound louder. When I rev it, it makes it too. If you know what's the problem, tell me. Tell me. Thanks.